If you're looking for the best waterless essential oil diffusers, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have ArOmis Professional Grade Aromatherapy Diffuser. This product from ArOmis functions in such a way that keeps the essential oil in its original state even when it becomes a mist. Made from glass to prevent plastic particles from corrupting the oil when it comes in contact. It's designed to last for many years when properly maintained. Moving on to the next at number 2 with AromaTech AroMini BT Bluetooth Essential Oil Diffuser. Get this Bluetooth-enabled diffuser from AromaTech. It's a sophisticated diffuser that helps preserve the essential oil's nature, purity, and integrity. It will provide a quality scent and does it with style in your room, office space, living room, etc. The number 3 position is held by Minidiva Professional Grade Diffusers. The problem with most diffusers is that they do not have enough compatibility with most essential oil bottles. However, this particular diffuser, by design, has compatibility with most mainstream essential oil bottles in today's market. Using its high freq tech atomizes all types of essential oils including dense ones. It doesn't make sound so it won't disturb your activities. Next at number 4 we have Scentcares Waterless Diffusers. Scentcares Diffuser is a carefully crafted essential oil mist dispensing device. It has 3 levels of accurately controlled intensity level delivered through the pipe by an efficient micro pump. Its frequent high-depth vibration nebulizers spread the oil into the air such that you're able to enjoy a top-notch aromatherapy experience. The number 5 position is held by GuruNanda Plug-in Essential Oil Diffuser. GuruNanda lets you enjoy and experience ultimate natural aromatherapy at the home, office, etc. It won't dilute the essential oil, and neither will it dispense it in excess. It will energize, balance, heal and help you relax in your place of comfort by purifying the air. You have different setting levels for which you can ask the diffuser to operate. The choice is specifically yours, ensure you set what you'll enjoy. The number 6 position is dominated by AromaAllure Waterless Portable Essential Oil Diffuser. AromaAllure Diffuser uses a fan system to apply ventilation and create airflow. In it, you have a pad on which you deposit drops of essential oil. When the fan blows from underneath the pad, it quickly permeates the essential oil scent across the room and improves the mood. It's quite an efficient system. Moving on to the next at number 7 with QBUC Solar Aromatherapy Diffuser. The QBUC Aromatherapy Diffuser doesn't require batteries, cords, or chargers to work. Instead, it sits on your dashboard, windowsill, or other sunny spot to collect energy from the sun, which it then uses to power the mini fan. Each order comes with a scent ring, but customers report that you can also add your own essential oils. The body is made from zinc alloy and comes in a few choices of color, while the bottom features a self-adhesive sticker for non-slip security in your car. It's also available in a larger size if you prefer. The number 8 position is held by weljoy Wood Grain Essential Oil Diffuser. Since it fits in the palm of your hand and is fully rechargeable, the weljoy Waterless Diffuser is a great portable option. Simply remove the cover and add a few drops of your favorite essential oil, then the quiet, lithium polymer battery will power the fan for up to 5.5 hours, distributing the scent around your car, workspace, or room. You can also use it with a USB cord to preserve battery life, and there are 3 speed settings to choose from. Each order comes with 1 diffuser and 8 replaceable pads. Next at number 9 we have Raindrop Nebulizing Diffuser. The glass reservoir and cap were beautifully hand-blown and its wooden base was undoubtedly made from pure wood. All components from the adapter to the glass cap were carefully shaped in thick protective foam. Its base was even stored in its own velvet pouch. You'll receive an instruction manual to help you assemble and operate the nebulizing diffuser. But there are also videos to help you set up and clean your device. Because it's atomizing the essential oils without diluting them, I find that I use more oils in a nebulizing diffuser than with an ultrasonic one. For example, in 2 days I use more than 8 ml of essential oils, operating the diffuser off and on for 6 to 8 hours a day at low-medium speed. So I guess you can say I use close to 1 ml of oil per hour, which isn't too bad since it's undiluted. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by LOXIM Pride Aromatherapy Diffuser. LOXIM's Aroma Diffuser is a product that will help your home smell and feel amazing. This elite product offers a subtle appearance that will fit in with any aesthetic and won't stand out if you don't want it to. While the appearance is a nice feature, though, the best parts of this product come with how the product operates. This product is a nebulizing diffuser, which means that a cool mist of pure, undiluted essential oils is being let off into your home while it functions. Don't expect to see the mist, though, as you'll only be able to slightly notice it under direct lighting. The nebulizer functions on a timer with options of 1, 2, 4, and 8-hour intervals. Along with the time intervals, you also have 3 intensity intervals: low, medium, and high. All intervals diffuse for 10 seconds and, depending on the interval intensity, will then rest for 270, 30, or 10 seconds. The medium intensity setting provides enough strength to fill a medium-sized bedroom with fragrance within as little as 10 minutes. If you're looking to fill a larger room, you may want to adjust the intensity setting to the highest intensity. This product is fairly small, so it will work best in rooms that aren't larger than 700 square feet. If you're looking for a diffuser for your bathroom, the medium to low intensity would be a great option. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.